Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a welcome letter step by step. What is a welcome letter? A welcome letter is a personalized document that your hiring manager will send to new colleagues within your business. It should include all the details that new employees need to feel prepared and excited about starting work. You can send the letter through the mail or via email. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a welcome letter step by step. Check this out. Since this welcome letter can be formal or non-formal letter, it is optional if you write the date of the letter as well as the information of the recipient details. So, let's write Dear, followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, welcome the recipient. You can directly say welcome and mention your company or organization name. After that, state how you are happy to have the recipient as a part of the team. Just make it sound friendly here. In the second paragraph, write the date when the membership or the working schedule started. You have to mention their role or occupation here. And if it is about a job, you can give brief details about the job tasks. You can mention some which become the big picture of the main job. And show positivity here. Tell the recipient that the company believes in her or his skills and experiences to add value to the team. In the third paragraph, introduce your company. Here, you can say what kind of veils are applied in the company. And write also the company mission and vision so the new member knows the company identity. And write also the company goals. Writing these information is important. It helps the new member or employee to understand more about the company and give insights about it. So, the new employee can cooperate in the future working in team with this insight. And talk more about the first day of working. You can say that the recipient will get more details about job tasks on the first day. and welcome the new member or employee to ask questions about the organization. In the last paragraph, once again, welcome the new member. And close it by showing your excitement to work together with the recipient. Finally, you can close the letter with best regards. Put your signature, write your full name, and write also your occupation in the company. So, that's how you write a welcome for employees step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.